Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is December 27th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see. Let's maximize this quarterly chart and see what we see. We see the Russell is still green. The Russell is still above that yearly R1 and it's looking very good, very bullish for those longer term type traders who look at these big pictures. All right, let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart and see what we see here. Again, there's been a little selling pressure here on the Russell. We're getting quite a bit of a wick here. We back quite a bit of a wick right there. We are back below a quarterly R1 and all, but we are still above the 9-10 moving average. So again, we are still in a bull market technically, but we are getting a little selling pressure up there, look like at this time. Let's go ahead and go down to our weekly chart and see what we see there. On our weekly chart, let me zoom in here. See, that's where you can see it here on this weekly chart. We are getting some, you can see the selling pressure here. We got this red week last week. We still ended up with a red week doji this week, and we didn't get close to breaking the high this week. And well, we did get kind of close to breaking the high. We were below the high. We didn't break the high. We didn't get across our monthly R1. We've gotten below that and we stayed below that. So, but right now we have a bearish, red on red, bearish Harami in the right location. But we've seen on other indexes where this didn't confirm, meaning we didn't get that candle down here. What ended up happening was we ended up getting a candle up here. And this thing ended up, on the other indexes, they ended up going higher. So be careful, be careful, be careful. If you want to short this thing, thinking you got the right pattern in the right location and seeing that it's having a hard time going higher, put your stop there. If it ends up closing, and you can play it the way you want to play. If it goes above there, you get out. If it closes above there, you get out. No trade recommendations, just some ways that some people look at actually trading this market when they want to trade it to the downside. The Russell does like going down, but please learn to wait for your confirmation and all. I'll play it on the right side and make sure you position size yourself correctly and all. That's pretty much it. All I got there on the weekly chart. Let's go ahead and go down to this daily chart and see what we see there. There's a zoom here on this daily chart. Seeing that's again, you're seeing it on this daily chart. On Monday, just like all the other indexes, we did end up getting a gap up candle. That's this green candle right here and all. But as you can see, we did get some selling pressure on that Monday, and then after that we did not break Monday high. All we kept getting is lower highs for the rest of the week, and we also got lower lows for the rest of the week. That means we are in a downward channel. It actually came back down here and closed this gap. We still got wicks. Let me clear up a little bit. We still have body. It closed it with the wicks, but it didn't close it with the body. So it could be some more little play to the downside on the Russell, and just a little bit. But again, this is going to be your kind of like stop, drop, dead place. The Russell probably is not going to go below this. It's been very strong this year. Yes, you got to, and then that's only a maybe $3 or $4 to the downside. And all that you may be able to get out of that if you want to play it to the downside. That's why I say be careful. And then to the upside, if you have to put a stop if it breaks that top, again, you're talking what, $6, $7 to the top. So again, play based on your trading plan, your trading strategy. Trade accordingly based on what I'm seeing here. Not based on what I'm seeing here, based on what you see out there happening. And that's it. That's all I really want to share. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I hope everybody have a Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you next year. This is Right Side Trader. Happy New Year. Bye.